Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker, and for today, I'll be showing you the house construction update of my client here in Mawing Estate. So, bumili sila ng RTC unit in Mawing Estate. Ito yung counterpart ng Melcon unit in Madonna Residences naman. So, almost complete na po tayo with this house. So, ito po yung ating living area. May floating shelves na, fluted wall panels, tapos meron din tayong TV rack, and then ito yung dining area natin with lanai, and then modular kitchen po natin. Tapos, tignan naman natin yung ating guest bathroom sa baba. So, ito po siya, complete na din. And then ito yung bedroom 1 natin, pero nakalock siya, baka may gamit sa loob. So ito yung ating stairs naman, and then meron tayong malaking window dito for more natural light sa loob ng bahay. And then ito yung ating second floor. Ito yung ating bedroom 2. So, complete na po to with wood accent walls, floating shelves, tapos meron na din tayong built-in closet. So, ito po siya, yung ating built-in closet. And then, punta naman tayo sa bedroom number 3. So, yung bedroom number 3 natin, complete na din po with floating shelves, wood accent walls, and ayan yung windows naman natin. So, kompleto na po tayo, tapos may extra cabinet dito. And then, ito yung ating common bathroom sa second floor. So, complete na rin po yan. And then, ito yung ating master's bedroom. So, complete na rin po to with built-in closet. So, ayan po siya. Tapos, meron na din tayong floating shelves, fluted wall panels, and ayan, yung TV rack nandiyan na rin po. Itong master's bathroom lang ang may kulang pa. So, wala pa tayong cabinets under the sink and bathroom mirror. And then, baba po ulit tayo. Tignan natin yung service area naman sa labas. So, ayan po yung ating stairs. And then, ito yung ating modular kitchen. Yung modular kitchen natin, alam ko tapos na rin to. Ayan po, kasi may kasama pong pull-out trays yan. Ito naman yung ating lanai with polycarbonate roof. And then mapapansin nyo, meron natin tayong metal fences or what we call louvers for added security but still with ventilation. Ito naman yung ating dirty kitchen with shelves na po yan and cabinets, and ang laundry area naman natin, ayan po, with shelves din and may provision for the washing machine plus may metal clothesline din tayo. Ayan po. Or sampayan ng mga damit. Tapos ito, may inclusion to na basic landscape pero hindi pa nila nilagay kasi hindi rin ma-maintain so malalanta lang. So pag na-turn over na talaga yung bahay, doon na magla-landscape. If you like the same unit, we have a new project in Madonna Residences, and we have 3 model houses also, namely Melcon, Abigail, and Julieta. Fully furnished na po tayo doon, so sobrang sulit po ng mga bahay. If interested, message us so we can assist you better. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and